Welcome to Katowice, Poland. I am here just very briefly, literally for just a couple of hours. I stayed here overnight, arrived at the airport late, took the bus down, about a 45-minute bus ride from the airport. Public transportation in the city, so ridiculously cheap. You will be paying about 6 or 7 of whatever their currency is, but it comes out to be like €1.50. If you want to get the bus, it will be about €3 for unlimited bus throughout the day. But Katowice is really just a city that people live in. Somebody on the plane coming here said to me, I thought this was pretty funny, somebody who actually lived here said the best thing about the city is that there's another city right around here, and that's they're referring to is Krakow. That is about a 45-minute hour drive from here. I was in Krakow before, love that city, but this city is very quiet. I'm getting vibes that, there really isn't that much to do from a tourist perspective. People are here, living their life, and it's very enjoyable. I am now just on the one pedestrian street, and yeah, this part's nice, but you go outside and yeah, not really much to do. I got myself Polish food. You will see that review in a second. It's a bigger city than you would expect. Population of around 280,000 people just within the city limits. Obviously larger within the metro area. Actually has a pretty busy airport, although the customs line was ridiculously inefficient. It took me about an hour to get through customs, and this is an EU member state and I have a EU passport. All right, I don't know quite exactly what I got. It looks like this hot dog like thing wrapped in almost like completely in a roll. It looks kind of like a pretzel roll. Let's try. This is really good. Mainly doughy. It's not actually a hot dog, it's ham. I think there's some cheese inside. Yeah, okay. This is great. This place has a very nice standing area, tables set outside, right outside the bakery, right in the pedestrian area. You really only find this type of food in Poland. It's so simple, just meat wrapped around in this dough, very long, looks like a corn dog. It's not, but this is so nice. Okay, now this one has the hot dog in it. This one is really good, especially because, yeah, there's the hot dog that is pretty thick, but just the dough around it is even thicker. Can somebody please comment what these are? Because I really have no idea. So yeah, before I go and I catch my train, I think I only have like 20 minutes, so I'm just gonna hang out in this spot. Really sunny, really humid. Normally my videos are a lot more energetic and lively and upbeat than this one, but I'm about to head to the Auschwitz concentration camp. That is about an hour 15-minute train ride away, or a 45-minute bus ride if you could do it on Flixbus. So I'm not really in the mood to be recording this like happy, like super incredible positive video. So if you are here, that's one of the things that you really need to do. You can go with a tour group actually leaving from Katowice, and that will come out to be around €100, but provides transportation there, back, a tour guide of both camps, or you can do what I'm doing, just take the transportation there yourself. You can pay either around €30 for a guided tour, or you can just go during the free visiting hours, self-guided hours. I'm going during self-guided hours because I just prefer to walk the grounds myself, but okay, that's enough at this point.